Hello everyone, I'm Sam, and in this quick video, I'm going to be talking about the tools that Chris and I use most as part of our stock investing practice. I'm going to be sharing our favorite software and websites and how we use them. I'm also going to tell you what trading platform we use and the people that we like to listen to most when it comes to value investing. This video isn't sponsored in any way, I just wanted to share some of the tools that we like to use in hopes that it can help you with your own investing practice. All right, let's dive right in with our favorite multi-purpose tool, and that is Excel, or Numbers if you're a Mac user. We love spreadsheets and we use them for so many things. The first important function is that we use Excel in order to keep track of our investment portfolio. This includes documenting all of our current positions as well as our watch list. We keep track of what our strike prices are as well as our sell prices. And most importantly, we use Excel to track the financial performance of all of our investments. The second way that we use Excel is as a valuation tool. So we like to embed different formulas into our spreadsheets in order to create cheat sheets for the different companies that we are looking to do an intrinsic value calculation on. We also use different functions and tools of Excel, like creating a scatter plot chart in order to help us calculate the future growth rate of a company. Excel is a tool with nearly limitless functions, and the more you learn how to use it, the more you can leverage it to your advantage. One of the reasons why Chris and I like to use Excel so much is because it gives us complete control over our data and our financial measurements. Now let's talk about websites. So there are so many different websites out there that can support value investing, but I'm going to tell you our top 3 that we use on a regular basis. The first is Morningstar. So we use Morningstar to pull nearly all of the data that we use for our company valuations. We like Morningstar because it's free, it's up to date, it's accurate, and it has 10 years worth of data on most companies. Number 2 is Dataroma, and we like to use Dataroma in order to take a peek at what super investors are doing with their portfolios. And number 3 is Seeking Alpha. So we do have a paid subscription to Seeking Alpha because we really like to read the different articles and blogs in order to stay up to date on what's going on with the market. And in addition to these 3 go-to websites, whenever we are considering investing in a specific company, we always go to the investors page of that company so that we can read the letters to shareholders and other messages that the management will post on those specific websites. Now onto the trading platform. Chris and I have been using TD Ameritrade for many years. When we were first learning how to invest, we took advantage of paper money on Thinkorswim, which is a product of TD Ameritrade. By using paper money, we were able to learn and to practice investing in a risk-free environment, which really helped us to build our knowledge and our confidence. That was nearly 15 years ago, and since then we have been active and loyal customers and we have no complaints. The fee structure, the user interface, and all of the different investing tools and resources all get a thumbs up from us. And finally, there are lots of people that we think are super smart and that we love to learn from and take inspiration from, but there are a handful of investors that we really hold in extra high esteem. We like to read their books, listen to their interviews, and basically consume anything that they put out into the world. And this group of people includes Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Guy Spear, Phil Town, Monish Pabrai, and the guys from Everything Money. Obviously, all of these individuals have a great track record of success, which gives them credibility. They're also all value investors, which aligns with our strategy and makes them relevant to us. But beyond all this, we follow these people because we feel like they are sincere, down to earth, and transparent, which are all qualities that we really appreciate. All right, guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you did, please let me know by liking or subscribing to our channel. We love to hear from you in the comments, and until next time, remember, earn more, spend less, and invest the rest, and I'll see you again soon.